Norway pögi lungting kangi lerim sensi nangken kunliya tsamjidashle. Terin jinda chukji bethe düğüngi şöge çüzü çuda çege torliya. Şuga du deşi çebe dading pögim loptaliya tanda. Dasa geçi longni tüdün teng çoksun badi unsu nangsong. Teringi tüdün di torliya jino hoskem gö çambu çogi ngöjung ki zenam longni Wisdom of Happiness ham digi ki şerap şebte singbu şu nangsong.
And I hope that the Tibetan community will receive this movie well. I hope it somehow brings, or how to say, gives you a chance to be with His Holiness quite close. That's a little bit what the film wants to do, but the other cause is to contribute something to a better world. And if you like the movie, spread the world. We want to spread the word. We want to reach as many people as possible for the important message of His Holiness. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and we look forward to the Q&A afterwards.
Permission to use my broken English.
탈롱 안수대야 탈롱제 넘지낭신 담한다 다 게치 롱제 된데 몽고 때양이 아니 롱제 계속 한걸로 다 게치 롱제 두되나래 다 케타 여베 롱제 된데래 안다낭신 야간에 다 롱제 선에 사버던데 몽고직 탈로 때양이 다 탈롱 안수 믹스에 기치가 네 겨울임치 기걸 롱제 사버직 쇠야래 Wisdom of Happiness yadi di thalo chije Zurich la tema thango tembre ta ding anju pe gabachu te Dharamshala thalo Asia ki premier ta tema thango tense di de Dharamshala gichi logne thuden re ani di thring anju logne thuden ki goche nima de logne thango de ani za yan di anju gawashta chu ani di member thalo anju pebe logne khashe Longye chika satay lewangs tadi iya nganso Dharamshala deni ta Dharamshala deni longye sunye sum ngatsi be peba sum che ani Vietnam la deni longye sunye chik nganso shike pöden tol ta pöge ta kharsere zenjurnal debe nyomnyuk tol longye tundu shi suje longye chik nal tubre di thalo de South Korea ki Busan Film Festival tema thango tembre de gyagata lo Asia ki premier de anjo Dharamshala chegi ani daganang shi logne sunye de zo de peyai di chik je an daganang shi ya logne tundu pebe sebe logne tundu ni tei chik di khasere watermills chutas ti anjo de birla shunye jai punsala khorang ke sebre ani chik ya hirets senye ta main cancer do injina de sunye di kunga chembe sa khorang New York nere long penyam buchek sosha Quran soe diche ani di member ya pöden thoda dewa yeba shambala se logne chek tei shambala di ya peyuk logne re logne di tei che dinal thapne manju pheba top tempa tenzin dala Quran pei ani die chik che ani duk cheje thalo ya pöden thol mixe ke chik logne damanda khashe chik tei ande manju sta gauchu Longye re ta thalo ya mixe kanjo thalo longye dudenal chik menda chik khari shubena longye feature length film yarba ta longye ringu shibju shenga tei dinane longye nishu chapshi phime ke sebe longye re tisidi ta thalo thema thango de kanjo phime ke sebe longye ta mangate ra de ya kanjo mixe ke chik ya powa ke ki kechrachi
1 week or month or years decades. Constant effort eventually changing your mental attitude. Usually people consider meditation means closed eyes and not thinking. Thoughtless state of mind.
다 단데 로니디 베메시기 가르소레다 자 전부 다 아니원에 전에 제라도 가우중 안디 나도 조로디다 잠물링지다 제랑랑 미지존나리아 샘 튜베 토네 아니 시디 고야당 아니 시디 튜에기 뉴버디 가라좀미 레리 토니 소투고 요바 돌아야 근데 제가 틀에 시우장샤 제가 근데 뭐 좀자 오늘 전에 아니 가르소레 잠물링지다 제랑랑 좀미 상관의 양원에 랍자 채물랭에게 아니 가르소레 제가 틀에 딘데 바주 견샤 디인자 디페메시게 아니 가르소레 개바 상호다 가오지 아니 소겐디도 페메시 가 그래 시우견샤 안데나시 tunjo 자연 중원에 tun게 페메시 야우 도샤우 넘버도 제산딘데 뭐 손자디 로니디 망조게 바티 양시 제고에지다 안디네 남도슈 돈의 교주 당고에지도 삼바시제도 두제
The Dalai Lama is my guru and I love him, and I think we're so lucky to be born in his lifetime and to listen to his message and his teachings is just wonderful for me.
And what part of that movie hit you the most?
I think it's more about the practicing of peace in your mind and to have peace within yourself so you can have like a peaceful world. And the world is in such turmoil, it's wonderful to keep that hope, that optimism. And like he's always said for a long time, never give up. So we must never give up.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you.
The nimani kosa nada vishnu happiness wa ni ngara drita di jamba misegi da cho na ne da cho shuk chimbu rustes yo da su bewa jim bi chane da di documentary de anzu da chawe lama konso gi da kalop do da ani tire ko do da so cho de skalo chapo do che su su ne da ya ku chegu samen do sta and tire cho chungs na no, did you know?
I really enjoyed because I felt like I could actually breathe some of the frames. It felt like when certain things were happening, I could physically feel it, which was very interesting for me to experience. And I also think a lot of things were so relevant. It's like a reminder that you need in life right now. So overall, I felt like it had a very calming effect on me, and it just felt like I felt really good coming out of it. Plus, at times when they said breathe, I felt like you could feel everybody in the audience breathe together, which was really nice. So it felt like a very interesting, really nice experience. It was a really nice film. Thank you.